cannelloni stuffed pasta shells. Oh, I do love it indeed. And Adam Swanson is going to show us a new version.
Yeah, well, this is a beautiful creamy ricotta, spinach and chicken.
Love that. Why not?
Yeah, the kind of wintry feel to it, but with a rosé sauce, yeah? Put a bit of a spin. Typically, everyone does a white or just a stock standard nap sauce.
Yep.
I want rosé today.
What's a rosé sauce?
Oh, it's a little combination of nap and cream. But
I like it.
let's get our filling happening, Jazz. So, yeah, we're using the San Remo instant cannelloni shells, yeah? So no need to cook, really simple, yeah? So we've got to make our filling.
Yep.
So I'll get you onto the leeks. You can cut them up for me.
2 leeks and just chopped any shape or form?
Yeah,
just
like
this?
nice and evenly, yeah, because that way they'll cook at the same time.
Yeah.
Good drizzle of olive oil and some butter into our pan to start with.
Nice combo. And I'm just using the light and white part of the leek. That's the sweetest part.
Yeah, definitely. In with 2 garlic cloves into the pan, just sweat them off quickly.
Yep.
Now, spring onions.
They're milder in flavour.
Yeah, and I think spring onions, leeks work well with the chicken mince.
Yeah.
If you're not a fan of chicken mince, or, you know, you might have some pork or beef, obviously, in the fridge, no problems whatsoever. You can just substitute that out real easy.
We can continue on with that and even go vegetarian if you like.
Yeah, you can eliminate the meat and make it vegetarian.
Absolutely.
All right, in with the spring onions.
Pass that over
That's
to you.
a good amount of leeks. Now, they do sweat down, yeah? They'll collapse down and basically go half the amount, their size, I guess. Now, you need, veggies need salt and pepper, yeah? So don't be scared, a good pinch of salt.
Yep.
Now, these are going to take around 3 to 5 minutes to sweat down in our butter and oil.
Yep.
Now, in that meantime, while that's happening, we're going to get our rosé sauce happening. Okay, so passata, yeah? Just jar passata straight into the pan that we had on the heat a little bit there. Okay. Olive oil.
Always.
You know what I mean?
Yep.
If I'm making a pasta sauce, got to have a little splash of olive oil, pinch of salt, and we're just going to bring that up to the boil.
Okay. We're going to reduce that or not?
We'll bring it up to the boil, then we're going to add in about ½ a cup of cream, give it a stir, and then just thicken it, just slightly.
All right, let's wait for those to cook down. Smells good.
Guys, just look, our leeks have obviously collapsed down nice and soft there.
Yep.
I'll get you to chop up the dill.
Okay, how much dill?
The whole bunch would be great.
The whole bunch?
Yeah, this is like my fusion, I guess, of the world I live in, the Italian and Greek world, yeah?
Yes.
Dill is really nice with the leeks. Adding the spinach, is almost like a spanakopita mix, you know, when you're baking a pie, but we're doing cannelloni, of course. And then you add ricotta. Obviously, passata's come to the boil, in with ½ a cup of cream.
Okay.
Rosé, really easy, yeah? Look, done. Changing colour like so.
That in itself with some pasta is beautiful.
Oh, yeah, and a lot of parmesan,
Of course.
Any parmesan. Okay. In with the dill, please.
In with the dill. Okay, sprinkle that in. I'll just give you the last little bits here.
Thank you.
A few stalks in there too, no problem.
Yeah, no worries. And the spinach, baby spinach, if you didn't have that, if you had maybe some silver beet.
Yep.
Yeah, or cavallonero, the Italian Tuscan cabbage.
Kale.
Yeah.
I now have a bunch of kale in my fridge for smoothies in the morning, but there's always a little bit left over. Fantastic for a filling for cannelloni.
Oh, you're into the green smoothies, eh?
Love a green smoothie.
Good. Okay, so we need to obviously cook that down.
Yep.
That's going to take a couple minutes. We're going to add in our chicken mince.
Yes.
And make sure that we cook the chicken all the way through, around 3 to 5 minutes.
And do we need to allow this to cool completely before we start filling?
Definitely. Before we start filling our cannelloni, we need to refrigerate it, get it nice and cool, and then we put it all together.
Great.
Jazzy, our chicken filling, I guess, here is cooled down now. Been in the fridge for a little while.
Yep.
So we need to get that into a large bowl.
Okay. I love that you've put it on a tray and into the fridge because that's a little hack right there to speed up the cooling process. That works a treat.
No, we just do it in the kitchen every day, you know, when we need to speed up. So I guess you're right.
These chefs, they know what they're talking about.
You reckon? Sometimes. Okay, ricotta. Love ricotta. You know, this is in my DNA, you know that. Obviously, my family used to make cheese. So, yes, in with the ricotta.
Whole lot?
Whole lot.
Okay. In it
That's
goes.
the way. Don't worry, we're going to mix it up in a minute, so you don't be shy.
Okay.
Feta as well. I guess that's the crossover of the Italian-Greek cuisines.
Feta and dill. Beautiful combination.
Good.
Yes.
I'm going to squeeze over here and I'm going to grab some parmesan. Now,
Okay.
measurements. We go like this, Juz. Yeah, it's a good amount of cheese.
Oh, that's why you and I are great friends, because we both love cheese.
You need
and
it.
pasta.
Definitely.
And then I'm just breaking this up. I hope I'm doing that right for you.
You're doing fantastic. Look, for me, I'd get my hands in there if you like,
Oh,
but you're
go
doing
for
it
it.
very nicely. No, you're doing very elegant there. I'm happy
Okay.
with that, okay?
Yep.
So grab your baking dish.
Yep.
Take our rosé sauce. This is a must, yeah? You need to place some sauce on the bottom of your baking dish, yeah? Obviously, with the instant shells, it's going to absorb the flavour and keep it nice and moist also.
Yeah, that's crucial. Not putting your sheets straight down on there because they will dry out. All right, that's looking good.
Good. Now, if you wanted to, I remember my nonna, old school way, she'd get to, teaspoon, yeah,
Yes.
and try and fill the cannelloni shells or, rolling it up. But fancy, piping bag. Everyone would have one of these at home.
Piping bag.
Yeah.
And then teamwork. You can add a little bit to that.
Oh, I like this.
Yes. I'm just going to twist that. I'll pass that to you.
Thank you.
I will give you some scissors.
Wonderful. And just trim like so. Real easy. Just in with the mix. You can see it half the way through.
Yep.
Top them up like so.
So we're going to fill that up,
Yep.
add some more sauce, and how long is it going to cook in the
It's
oven?
going to go in the oven for around 25 to 30 minutes
Yep.
until they're nicely cooked through.
Nice one. Cannelloni is out of the oven.
Yes, looking amazing.
Yes,
Let's
indeed.
get a portion for you and me.
Oh, I love this.
Look at that. So simple, yeah.
And I like how you haven't put loads of cheese on top because you do it after.
Just a little sprinkle, Jess.
Oh,
all right?
nice.
And look, the fancy little bits, just
Yep.
to finish garnish. You smell the leeks.
I do. All right. Perfectly cooked. I love how we don't have to parboil the cannelloni shells.
No need at all, Juz. And the flavour, what do you think? Good?
I love that. I love how it's a fusion. There's a little bit of Italian there, the notes of Greek with the feta and the dill. It is outstanding. You've done a lot of cannelloni on the show.
I have.
This one's your best.
Thank you.